Welcome back. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about using Google Docs offline. Now, Google Docs requires an internet connection in order to work with the documents as we see them here in our dashboard. However, we can actually work with them offline. Now, in order to work with Google Docs offline, what we're going to need to do is we are going to need to find the Google Docs offline application. And we can search for it inside of the Chrome Web Store. And once we find it, we can just click Add to Chrome. What we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to go to our Google Drive and then our settings. And when we get to Google Drive, we'll just find our settings. And when you check the settings for offline, you might find that Google will tell you that your status is in holding. So if that's the case, typically the problem is that you do not have the backup and sync software installed on your personal computer. So you'll need to go and download that now. Now, if you search for the words download Google Drive or Google Sync download, you will find the right location, and that'll bring you to a site that looks like this. What you'll need to do is you'll need to click Download, Backup, and Sync. And once you have synced your drive with your personal computer, you will then have access to your Google Docs on your hard drive so that you can work on them whether or not you have an internet connection or not. Now, once you are certain that the program is running, as you can see here, we can look at it in our right-hand corner. We'll need to make sure that there are two applications running inside of Google Chrome so that we can actually edit and work with our documents offline. In order to make sure they're running, we'll need to go to our extensions, and we can find that by going to the right-hand menu. We'll need to go to More Tools, and then we'll need to go to Extensions. And there'll need to be the application launcher that's running in our extensions, as well as Google Docs offline. Provided that these two applications are enabled and running, you will then be able to edit and work with your documents offline and have them sync whenever you are online. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.